Cheese spaghetti is a beloved Italian classic known for its creamy, savory sauce and crispy pancetta. With its simple yet rich flavors, it's a comforting dish that has stood the test of time. Spaghetti is a delightful variation that enchants both the taste buds and the imagination. With just a few simple ingredients: pasta, eggs, cheese, pancetta, and black pepper, it achieves a perfect balance of comforting richness and refined flavor. I love the way this dish exemplifies the beauty of Italian cuisine by transforming minimal ingredients into something extraordinarily delicious. Every element is essential, resulting in a meal that is as visually appealing as it is flavorful. One of the things I adore about cheese spaghetti is its remarkable balance of texture and taste. The silky, creamy sauce, achieved by whisking eggs with finely grated cheese, clings lovingly to each strand of pasta, while the crisp, savory pancetta provides an irresistible crunch. Freshly ground black pepper is added to give the right amount of spice. This makes each bite a delightful blend of richness and zest. This dish not only satisfies hunger but also warms the soul with its comforting familiarity and subtle sophistication. Cheese spaghetti never includes cream. The creamy texture comes solely from eggs and cheese, making it a true testament to the magic of simple ingredients. I find cheese spaghetti to be a masterpiece of culinary simplicity that invites endless creativity. While some people may insist on maintaining a strict recipe, I enjoy experimenting with minor twists, perhaps a hint of garlic or a dash of cream, to tailor the dish to my taste. These small variations can elevate the experience without compromising the dish's authentic character. Ultimately, this dish is a celebration of Italian tradition that offers both hearty satisfaction and a touch of elegance. Moreover, this dish holds a special place in my heart because it blends comfort with innovation. Every bite recalls cherished family meals while inviting creative twists. Cheese spaghetti is more than a recipe. It is an experience that nurtures the soul and sparks culinary imagination. Its timeless charm lies in balancing tradition with personal expression. Ultimately, it remains truly a beloved classic worldwide.